Do you guys want to learn how to use sound alerts except just not using the sound alerts website? You can play them straight from your computer. Let's check it out. First thing you guys got to do is click this little tab at the top that says Twitch. Create a new redemption. So let's say we want to play a fart. Give it a green color because that's dope. We'll just say fart test so I know which one it is. You can just give it a cost of whatever you want, 500, sure. Not put a cooldown on it so we can test it. And so you see we have fart test up. If we go back over to the rules tab, click add rule, we can call this fart redemption. Dope. We'll name the trigger to be something from Twitch, and we'll name that the channel point redemption. That is fart test. Dope. And then you're going to go down to the actions. Go to AITUM. AITUM, I want you to play a sound. Dope. Let's find the fart sound. Fart sound alert. Awesome. We're going to crank this sucker up to 100%. We're going to say the device we want to play out of. Mine, I'm using voice meter, so I'll put it there. And we can save that here. You're going to have to add AITUM in as a source. So to add AITUM in as a sound source, all you got to do is add a new source here. Application audio capture. I'm going to call this AITUM. And I just click OK. Leave this over here to demonstrate that sound is going to play on my OBS. And I'm like, yo, I really want to play that fart sound that I just made, like so freaking bad. We're gonna do fart test and redeem, and there you go. You guys should have heard it too. The fart works. It's perfect. Fart test for 500. That's how you do farts without sound alerts. Sorry, sound alerts, we're taking out the middleman.